In a world where home invasions occur every 26 seconds, the safety of your sanctuary has never been more critical. Choosing the right home security system is not just about deterring burglars. It's about protecting your loved ones and ensuring peace of mind. With so many options available, how do you find the perfect fit for your needs? Join us as we explore the best home security systems, empowering you to make informed decisions for a safer home environment. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Ring Alarm Pro. Elevate your home security with the Ring Alarm Pro. This system stands out among competitors, delivering outstanding performance and value. Ring's sensors consistently outperform those in similar models, ensuring your home remains secure. With updated subscription plans, professional monitoring costs between $20 to $30 each month. Both options come with 180 days of video history. Upgrading to the higher plan grants you 24/7 backup internet and video recording, enhancing overall peace of mind. One of the standout features is the built-in Eero Wi-Fi 6 router. This allows you to replace your current router, boosting your network speed and range. Such improvements benefit security cameras and smart home devices, ensuring seamless operation. Self-monitoring is back, offering smartphone notifications for alerts. However, you cannot arm or disarm the system through the app. While self-monitoring may seem appealing, relying on professional monitoring proves more reliable and effective for security. What truly impresses is how everything integrates smoothly, making it simple to monitor your home. Setup is straightforward, even for those new to smart tech. On the flip side, some may find the subscription plans cost a bit higher than basic options. However, this higher expense translates into superior features and excellent service. The Ring Alarm Pro is an excellent choice for unmatched home security. Don't miss out. Explore what this system can do for you. At number 4, we have Arlo Home Security System 5-Piece. Arlo Home Security System 5-Piece stands out in a crowded market. This system impressed during extensive testing, proving its versatility and performance. With 5 all-in-one sensors, you can easily customize your setup. Each sensor performs various tasks, such as monitoring motion, door openings, temperature, and even leaks. This flexibility allows you to adapt the system to your unique needs, giving you more control over your home environment. Arlo's monitoring plan offers professional surveillance, including 24/7 emergency response. However, even without a subscription, you still gain access to essential features for free. This balance makes it an attractive choice for budget-conscious users who still want quality. Integrating seamlessly with devices like the Arlo doorbell enhances functionality, allowing for quick updates on your home's status. Pairing it with the helpful fob makes disarming effortless, which is vital during those rushed mornings. What I appreciate most is its user-friendly setup. Arlo's design caters to DIY enthusiasts eager to customize their security environment. While the monitoring plan adds great features, some users may find it an extra step. Still, this option does provide added peace of mind for those who desire it. Arlo Home Security System 5-Piece excels in versatility, performance, and ease of use. If you're ready to bolster your security, explore this outstanding system further. Still searching for the perfect home security system? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Abode Iota All-in-One Security Kit. Upgrade your home security with the Abode Iota All-in-One Security Kit. This all-in-one solution simplifies DIY smart security, making it perfect for anyone seeking peace of mind. An impressive base station integrates a camera and motion sensor, providing key features right out of the box. Versatile connectivity stands out. With Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, and Zigbee radios, you can effortlessly link various third-party devices like door locks and sirens. Compatibility with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT ensures seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem. No need to worry about fitting it into your existing setup. Installation proves intuitive and quick, a plus for those unaccustomed to technology. Its expandable nature allows you to grow your security system over time. Simply add components like water sensors or glass break detectors as needed. One of my favorite aspects is the on-demand professional monitoring. You can choose when you want extra security without committing to a subscription. This flexibility gives you control over your safety and budget. While the system excels in many areas, it can feel crowded with all the options. Navigating through numerous settings may take a moment to get used to. However, this complexity brings depth and customization, allowing you to tailor the system to your needs. For anyone striving for compatibility in home security, the Abode iota kit delivers. Discover how this innovative system can transform your home security today. At number 2, we have EufyCam S3 Pro battery. EufyCam S3 Pro battery shines as a top-tier security solution. You'll love the 4K camera combined with max color vision technology. Nighttime footage looks vivid and clear, even in pitch darkness. No spotlight is necessary, which improves your security without extra hassle. Enjoy seamless power year-round thanks to the Solar Plus 2.0 technology. Users can choose between the built-in solar panel or expand coverage with an external panel. That means you won't worry about dead batteries disrupting your home's safety. Experience high-tech motion detection with radar-powered alerts. The dual system blends radar and passive infrared (PIR), minimizing false alarms. It accurately identifies human movement, so you only receive notifications for genuine security threats. Saving money excites everyone. With 16 GB of built-in storage and up to 16 TB expandable, you avoid those pesky monthly fees. Homebase S380 utilizes self-learning AI, ensuring intelligent management of your device's settings. Rest easily knowing your privacy remains intact and securely managed. Voice control compatibility elevates your experience. Easily connect with HomeKit, Alexa, and other assistants for added convenience. Keep in mind, however, video quality drops to 1080p when using HomeKit instead of the impressive 4K resolution. Most impressive is the clarity during nighttime. While the setup process might take a bit of time, it becomes worthwhile once everything runs smoothly. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe is a game changer for home security. After extensive testing, I confidently gave it a review score of 8.5 out of 10. This easy-to-install DIY system sets itself apart from rivals like the Ring Alarm Kit, with its straightforward approach, leaving out complicated smart home integrations. Key features stand out. The system includes reliable security cameras and effective battery-powered motion sensors. Performance during testing remained top-notch, providing peace of mind. Customization options are also impressive. You can create a unique alarm system that fits your specific needs. Affordability shines through with monitoring plans starting at just $10 a month. Opting for the $30 a month plan offers perks like 24/7 live guard protection and instant app alerts, enhancing safety while ensuring faster response times. Compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant makes controlling your setup easier. While some users may find the base prices higher than competitors, various deals, including 50% off for first-time buyers, offer fantastic savings. What I love most about SimpliSafe is its reliability and user-friendly nature. It's perfect for homeowners looking to bolster their security without hassle. Some enhancements could improve the experience, like offering a wider variety of smart home integrations for those who want them. This system ranks among the best choices for smart home security kits. Experience the simplicity and effectiveness of SimpliSafe for yourself and enhance your home safety. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best home security systems. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which home security system you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.